Hey everyone, I've created a Google preferred source badge generator, which should be easy to use for anyone. All you have to do is enter a URL or a domain name, pick dark or light, depending on your preference. So the badge will switch to a dark or light mode. You can change the font if you want to and add some styling for the font as well. You can also adjust the size of the badge. Then all you do is copy paste this code to any web page and the badge should show up over there. If you have any feedback or if you run into any bugs, let me know and I'll fix them up. At the moment, it only works in the United States and India, so it's a good idea to geo-target the badge only to those countries. You can do that using geo-targetly or using Cloudflare workers. And it's also a good idea to add some sort of tracking to the badge clicks as well. So yeah, hope you guys like it. If you have any feedback, please let me know. Thanks for watching.